Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to send disappearing photos on WhatsApp. First of all, we have to update our WhatsApp app. So go to Play Store or App Store and search for WhatsApp. And now if you see any update available, make sure to update the WhatsApp app. Now launch the WhatsApp and go to the conversation. Now tap on this little camera icon. Now you can capture a photo or you can select a photo from your gallery. Now to send the photo disappearing mode, all you have to need just tap on this little one icon, and once it's selected to one, send the photo. And now I'm going to switching my WhatsApp account and opening the conversation, and here we can see a photo. Let's open the photo, and here we can see the photo. Now if I go back from here, as you can see, now I can't open the photo. So this is how we can send disappearing photos on WhatsApp. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.